Alright guys, so anyways, probably some of you are going to be kind of like butthurt that I'm welding galvanized steel, but that's all I had. So I did finish these little cutouts. Just these were galvanized and obviously this isn't. So these are all welded with some nuts on it so you can fit in a threaded rod to it, and then they can hang it up to however they want it. That's all they asked me to do, so that's all I'm gonna do. So that's basically all I did, was weld some nuts on there, and yeah, so I'm guaranteed one of you guys or somebody that watches this video is gonna be freaking out saying that I'm gonna die because I'm welding galvanized steel. But I mean, as long as I don't breathe it in too much, I think I'm gonna be okay. So that's what I did today, and now I'm gonna start on another one. So